Hey everyone, your credit score is more important than you might think. It affects your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, and sometimes even get a job. Here's how to build your credit fast. Start by getting a secured credit card. This is a great option if you're just starting out or need to rebuild your credit. Make sure to use it responsibly and pay the balance in full each month. Next, become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If they have good credit, their positive history can help boost your score. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using less than 30% of your available credit. For example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try not to use more than $300 at any given time. Pay all your bills on time. Payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score, so never miss a payment. If you have student loans or other installment loans, continue making timely payments. This shows lenders that you can manage different types of credit. Check your credit report for errors. Sometimes mistakes can lower your score. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately. Diversify your credit mix. Having a variety of credit types, such as credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your score. Finally, be patient. Building credit takes time, but with these strategies, you'll see improvements faster than you think. Subscribe for more tips on building and maintaining a healthy credit score.